Hello everybody, and welcome to another video with me, Ro from Scalpel and Stem. So if you follow this channel at all, you've probably seen our alocasia corum and anthurium seedling experiment, and the whole point of this experiment was to try out semihydro. Now we did see the stratum perlite mix worked significantly better, and mind you, it was a very small data point. Probably be moving some of my alocasia and anthurium over into a semihydro mix. Hard to find pots that will actually work for what I'm doing because I'm acclimating and I need domes. Not to mention a lot of the pots that you find that are already set up for semihydro or self-watering are in excess of $5 a piece. With how many hundreds of plants that we go through, that's just not feasible. So I want to show you guys what I came up with. Now I have seen anthurium enthusiasts that I respect use the double cup method, in which they just cut holes in the bottom of a cup that they put in some cute cup. But where I ran into an issue is I need well-fitting domes for the acclimation process. So it took me quite some time to research and find planters that kind of, they snug in there, actually sit a little high when the dome is on. You don't have a dome on, it sits almost down to the bottom. I'm trying to decide if I should make a wick, if that's the way I need to go, or if even though we have a little gap here, we can still do it this way. So I'm going to try this way. And our first experiment, ironically, is not an anthurium or an alocasia. I was actually able to source nepenthes. I love carnivorous plants a lot. And as we are acclimating, I need domes. And since they are carnivores, they like to stay wet. I think this is a good opportunity to give this little setup a whirl. Now I'm just going to use the lid. It's as simple as removing any gelling agent with leaves. And these cultures came to me clean, so I don't feel like I need to worry about contamination. So what I'm going to do is just put it in clean water. I'm loving how these little pictures look. I'm going to give these a nice swirl and try and make sure I'm washing off all that media. What I did was kind of shake them off, make sure there wasn't any clumps of media, and then tuck them down in my substrate. Now since these are acclimating, they're going to require the dome. And there you go. That's it for this video. Planting.